Goal that I focused on for this project was stopping biodiversity loss and stopping habitat loss. This is an important goal because loss of biodiversity in a habitat also destroys the habitat, and destruction of a habitat results in loss of biodiversity. It becomes a vicious cycle that doesn't end until both biodiversity and habitat are gone from the area. Without that, we would have no more resources that we can use from the area, and at the rate we are going, we're going to run out of resources by the year 2050. In my project, I focused on wolves, which are at the top of the trophic cascade. What that means is wolves actively shape the habitat that they live in. They play a major role in the forest areas of the United States. So by hunting the deer in the area, they can cull the population, and it also forces the deer to maintain a more active lifestyle, causing them to be healthier and causing the land to be healthier, because when the deer run over the land, they aerate the land and allow more plants to grow. They also, by culling the population, allow saplings to grow because there are less deer to eat the saplings. If the wolves are removed, the deer will run rampant, and it will lead to loss of many forests. Scientists originally used a bottom-up approach to try and preserve habitats, but now they're realizing that using a top-down approach is actually healthier for the environment. Without further ado, here is my project. It's incomplete, but I wasn't able to compile it onto my phone. I'm not actually sure why, and my interactions are actually, it's not doing a gaze select. So, okay. Here are the wolves. You can move around by tilting your head downward. Theoretically, you're supposed to be able to look at a wolf and then it'll tell you that you're hungry, and you're supposed to go find a deer to eat. So here is one of the deer over here, and when you select it, you should be able to eat it. This deer gets removed, and then the deer count at the top also gets removed. And after a while, you need to continuously find deer, and after a while, a hunter will spawn, and the hunter count will go up, and slowly your wolf count will go down. And as the wolf count goes down, you'll find more deer, and then in the upper right, the tree count will also go down. So you have to hunt more, and in order to try and keep the tree count down. And then eventually the habitat will also start going on flames if the tree count becomes too low, and you're just basically trying to find as many deer as possible and trying to kill them. And that's it for my project.